Okay, it's on. So you might have heard, yes, the rant coming soon, and like forget about it. We're going to do this right freaking now. Okay, so remarkably, today's rant will be on New Jersey State Railfan and NJ Transit Films, which also known for Michael, the, the South Jersey Railfan, and I'm not sure if I got that right. Oh, yes, I did. The South Jersey Railfan. And note if you like this user opinion handle. Well, where do I even start with this user? Alright. Alright, where do I even start? Let's see. New Jersey State Real Fan and NJ Transit Films has got to be one of the worst users ever in my thoughts. Here are the reasons why he sucks. 1. He's racist. Due to him using the N word, which he which actually makes my New Jersey State Rail fan and NJ Transit Films ironically racist, or say which proves he is racist because white people can't use the N word. 2. He tells people to go kill themselves, or I'd say he sends death threats to people, which I find death threats recently very pointless, and I find them recently just dumb. And things like that too. 3. He used the FAGGOT word, which that's actually a homophobic slur, to let you all know. And yet again, you must have Tourette's syndrome to use it. 4. He is heartless, because ironically, he told a user to get cancer on a Google Meet. You might see some proof, ironically. He even manipulated people to also hate E88, which I find manipulation when it comes to the hating a user, I find it very pointless. You might like the user, but a user you like tries to manipulate the user you like to hate, which I found pretty lame. 6. He tells people, not he tells, but 6. Warning, this might gross you out. He supports child pornography, which proves he is a pervert and both a criminal. 7. He showed his own ass on a Discord call, which is ironically disgusting. If you're asking where's proof, you might see it on the exposed video. Number 8, he showed his privates on the Discord video call, which is gross and which disgusts me. And number 9, he showed he and not but not and but number 9, he showed crap on a Discord video call. And number 10, he even did a rape threat on E88, which both rape threats are disgusting and both also disturbing. And 11, he does sexual harassment. Ironically, I'm really disappointed with Michael's behavior. I'll definitely not forgive him for what he has done. You're gonna be asking, why am I not gonna forgive him? Due to what he has done, I will not forgive him for things he did to people. And if I ever forgive Michael, I already know he's gonna be doing the same things as always. Although I am pretty mad what Michael's done, I won't forgive him for what he's did. And I also find Michael to be very disgusting. Of him supporting child pornography, which supporting child pornography can't actually, I'd have to say, make you a criminal. Which I don't forgive Michael. I don't forgive him. And well, if some of you Michael fans might trust Michael, I recommend you not to trust Michael. And you're gonna ask, why? Due to him being a criminal, due to him importing Ray B88, which is gross, which means some of you Michael fans out there, you guys are supporting a criminal. No offense. I'm just only being honest. But I'm disappointed with Michael's behavior. Well, I'm going to be doing the do you know who likes this term because this and a mother and beyond style rant. No. Okay. Right now it's morning, 12:41 a.m. My area. Right. Alright, so if you enjoyed that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications if you guys want to. Well, this is kawaiiplayz the Pixel Fan and Cooler Diamond Fan 64 signing off. See you in the next video. See you guys in the next rant and video. Well, this is the end of the rant. Bye bye.